Prime Day savings have already kicked off, and let me tell you, the kitchen deals this year are absolutely sizzling. Whether you're upgrading your cookware, scoring that dream espresso machine, or finally grabbing that air fryer everyone's been raving about, we've got you covered with the top 30 best kitchen deals available right now on Amazon. From premium blenders and grills to smart coffee makers and compact must-haves, there's something here for every kitchen and every budget. Links to all products mentioned are in the description below. Also, like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Let's dive right into the deals. Number 1. Vitamix Propel 750 Blender. Was $630, now $400. If you've ever wanted a true powerhouse blender, now's the time. The Vitamix Propel 750 delivers restaurant-quality performance with a robust motor and 5 pre-programmed settings for everything from smoothies to soups. It's built like a tank, yet super sleek on the counter. With its stainless steel blades and variable speed control, you'll get ultra-smooth textures every single time. This is a blender that lasts for years, and at $230 off, it's an unbeatable Prime Day score. Number 2. Yoskata Carbon Steel Wok was $65, now $57 with coupon. Serious about stir-fry? The Yoskata Carbon Steel Wok is a total game-changer for home cooks. Pre-seasoned and designed for high-heat cooking, it gives you that coveted wok hay flavor restaurants are known for. Its ergonomic wooden handle stays cool and comfortable while you toss and sear with ease. Durable, responsive, and now under $60. This is a sizzling deal you don't want to miss. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. Was $240, now $150. This isn't just a blender, it's a full kitchen system in one sleek package. The Ninja Foodi Power Blender combines a powerful motor with a food processor bowl, dough blade, and nutrient extraction cup. You can crush ice, mix dough, make smoothies, and slice veggies, all with one machine. At $90 off, it's a total steal for any home chef wanting to save space and boost versatility. Number 4. Technivore Moccamaster KBGV Coffee Maker. Was $359, now $251. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Technivore Moccamaster isn't just a brewer, it's an experience. Handcrafted in the Netherlands, it delivers perfect pour-over style coffee with incredible consistency. It heats water to the ideal temperature and brews a full pot in just 6 minutes. Sleek, stylish, and built to last, it's a luxury brewer that's rarely discounted. And it's over $100 off right now. Number 5. All-Clad D5 Brushed Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Was $1,000, now $900. Looking to invest in heirloom quality cookware? The All-Clad D5 set features 5 layers of stainless steel and aluminum for even heat distribution and unmatched durability. It's the gold standard in professional kitchens, and yours too. With this deal, you're saving $100 on a lifetime of perfectly cooked meals. Number 6. Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron 5-Piece Bundle. Was $150, now $100. A must-have for every kitchen. Lodge's cast iron bundle includes a skillet, griddle, Dutch oven, and more, all pre-seasoned and ready to use. These pans retain heat like no other and go from stovetop to oven to campfire. Durable, versatile, and now $50 off? It's time to level up your cooking game. Number 7. Zwilling Henkel's 14-piece knife set was $370, now $180. Sharp, balanced, and elegant. This Zwilling knife set is a chef's dream. The German stainless steel blades are ice-hardened for long-lasting sharpness and precision. You get everything from paring knives to a bread knife, housed in a sleek block. It's almost half off, making it one of the best Prime Day deals for serious cooks. Number 8. Breville the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Was $400, now $300. This countertop oven does it all. Air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and even dehydrating. The Breville Smart Oven Pro is spacious, precise, and ultra-convenient. It features 13 cooking functions, Element IQ technology for even heat, and a beautiful LCD display. At $100 off, it's the ultimate multifunction upgrade for your kitchen. Number 9. Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fry Grilling Oven. Was $140, now $98. Affordable and mighty, this Hamilton Beach oven offers air frying, toasting, grilling, and baking in one compact design. The Sure Crisp tech ensures crispy edges and even cooking. Perfect for busy weeknights or small kitchens, this model combines value and performance. Under $100 for a full-function oven? Yes, please. Number 10. Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. Was $100, now $70. Homemade ice cream on demand? Yes. The Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker is fun, fast, and incredibly easy to use. Just freeze the bowl, pour in your mix, and enjoy in as little as 20 minutes. Whether it's classic vanilla or adventurous flavors, you're in full control. And at $30 off, it's the perfect summer treat for the whole family. Number 11. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Was $750, now $550. Dreaming of cafe-quality espresso at home? The Breville Barista Express is a top-tier machine that grinds, tamps, and brews in one seamless process. Its integrated burr grinder and precise temperature control deliver rich, balanced shots every time. Now $200 off, it's your chance to elevate your morning routine like never before. Number 12. Keurig K Elite Pod Coffee Maker. Was $190, now $100. Convenience meets customization with the Keurig K Elite. Brew strong or iced coffee, choose from 5 cup sizes, and enjoy lightning-fast brewing with minimal cleanup. It looks sharp on any countertop and is nearly half off right now. For quick, quality coffee every morning, this is a deal worth jumping on. Number 13. Green Pan Elite Slow Cooker. Was $250, now $200. The Green Pan Elite brings non-toxic ceramic innovation to slow cooking. With a 6-quart capacity and multiple settings, it's perfect for everything from soups to roasts. The removable pan even works on the stovetop. Super handy. Healthy cooking, sleek design, and $50 off? A fantastic find. Number 14. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 Smart 10-quart 2-basket air fryer. Was $250, now $150. 2 baskets mean double the convenience. The Ninja Foodi Smart Air Fryer lets you cook 2 meals at once, with independent temps and timers. It's huge, powerful, and includes smart features like a built-in thermometer. This $100 discount is one of the hottest air fryer deals this Prime Day. Number 15. Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook 6-quart Air Fryer. Was $120, now $80. The Instant Vortex Plus makes air frying simple and satisfying. With a viewing window, 6-quart capacity, and customizable programs, it's perfect for crispy, healthy meals. Easy to clean, fast to use, and now just $80. A perfect intro air fryer for any kitchen. Number 16. Brita Hub Compact Countertop Water Filter System. Was $120, now $80. Say goodbye to bottled water with the Brita Hub. This compact countertop system delivers clean, filtered water straight from your tap. Sleek, sustainable, and $40 off. It's a smart buy for any modern kitchen. Number 17. Cuisinart Mini Belgian Waffle Maker. Was $60, now $30. Crispy golden waffles at home? Yes, please. The Cuisinart Mini Waffle Maker delivers perfect rounds in minutes and takes up almost no space. It's cute, compact, and now just $30. The perfect breakfast upgrade for small kitchens or college dorms. Number 18. Food Cycler Eco 5 Countertop Composter. Was $600, now $399. Turn kitchen scraps into compost with the Food Cycler Eco 5. It's an eco-friendly, odor-free solution to food waste, compact enough for any home. Simple to use and saves tons of landfill waste. At $201 off, it's a green gift to yourself and the planet. Number 19. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. Was $852, now $500. Push a button, get perfect espresso. That's the beauty of the Philips 3200 series. It grinds fresh beans and makes espresso, cappuccino, and lattes with silky milk foam. $352 off makes this luxury machine surprisingly affordable. It's the easiest way to bring the cafe home. Number 20. Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart. Was $170, now $150. A modern classic, the Instant Pot Duo Plus makes pressure cooking, slow cooking, and steaming easier than ever. Big enough for families, smart enough for beginners. With 25 customizable programs and a $20 discount, it's a reliable favorite for quick, home-cooked meals. Number 21. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle. was $160, now $90. Make your own fizzy drinks with the SodaStream Terra. This bundle includes everything you need to carbonate water at home, saving money and reducing waste. It's stylish, fun, and now $70 off. A refreshing deal in every sense. Number 22. Traeger Grills Pro 780 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Was $1,000, now $799. Fire up some flavor with the Traeger Pro 780. This wood pellet grill smokes, bakes, and grills to perfection, all with Wi-Fi smart control. It's a backyard legend, and $200 off makes it the best time to become a pitmaster. Number 23. Tramontina 10-inch tri-ply stainless steel fry pan. Was $60, now $34. Restaurant quality results for under $40? Yes, thanks to Tramontina's tri-ply pan. Even heating, comfortable grip, and oven safe. It's the kind of everyday pan you'll reach for constantly. And right now, it's nearly half off. Number 24. Weber Spirit 2 E3103 burner propane grill. Was $639, now $519. Cook for a crowd with Weber's reliable 3-burner grill. With porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a spacious cook area, it's summer ready. $120 off and built to last, the Spirit 2 is a backyard essential. Number 25. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. Was $629, now $507. Get the good ice. The GE Opal 2.0 makes soft, chewable nugget ice beloved by fans everywhere, and it connects to Wi-Fi for smart scheduling. It's sleek, fast, and now over $120 off. A serious upgrade for your drink station. Number 26. Stanley Ice Flow Stainless Steel Tumbler. Was $40, now $35. This tumbler keeps drinks icy for hours and fits in car cup holders perfectly. It's leak-proof, durable, and stylish too. At just $35, it's a small but mighty Prime Day gem. Number 27. NutriBullet Slow Juicer. Was $215, now $120. Low-speed juicing means maximum nutrition. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer extracts more juice with less noise and oxidation. And at $95 off, it's a smooth deal for anyone looking to boost their morning routine. Number 28. Zwilling Infinity Cool Touch Electric Kettle Pro. Was $170, now $149. This kettle is both smart and safe, with precise temperature control and a cool touch exterior. It heats quickly and looks sleek on the counter. Now $21 off, it's a smart splurge for serious tea lovers. Number 29. Braun BrewSense 12-cup drip coffee maker. Was $130, now $113. Brew up a smooth, flavorful pot with Braun's BrewSense. It's compact, easy to use, and brews with the ideal water flow and temperature. At just $113, it's an everyday essential made better by Prime Day savings. Number 30. Joseph Totem Max 60L Recycling Bin. Was $260, now $161. Make recycling simple and stylish with this dual compartment system. It hides smells, saves space, and looks great in any kitchen. And at nearly $100 off, it's a surprisingly exciting Prime Day pick. And that's a wrap on the 30 top Prime Day kitchen deals that I absolutely love. And trust me, these prices are hot right now. Let me know in the comments which one you grabbed or are eyeing, and if you want more in-depth reviews. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. You won't want to miss what's next. Happy shopping and happy cooking.